Okay, the next thing I gotta make, I'm gonna be up here so you can see it. Gotta make from here up to here. Tuck that in like that. Shrink that up a little bit. So, we can start making that. Alright, this is what we got. I went out in the scrap pile. The last car we did was a Corvair. And I had cut a piece off and I remembered it was rounded like that, like I need here. So, well, I got a piece. And we'll do a little finesse in here. Get that welded in there like that, and we'll start in. I have to take the fender off. I got a mark right here. I got to put a L bracket. Right, now, it doesn't have to be very big, but it's got to be bigger than that.
That's what she said.
Do something like this. This is a handy little tool right here. There. Gotta go right about like that. I'll get the welder over here, put a couple tack beads on that. Gonna shorten it a little bit. I know it doesn't have to be that long. That'll just be better. And we'll take it over there and weld it. I'll show you what I got, why I'm making that. Let me take you off your perch here. That right there. That chalk mark on the end of it there. That's where we're gonna weld that piece onto that, like I did over here. Okay, I got it so it fits. Decent. Not perfect. I'll get it welded up underneath here first. Get this pushed in, get a spot there, a spot here. Get it pushed in where it belongs. Just keep going until I get it all the way across. Just spot welding for now, until we get this back panel. Then we'll weld it all in fully. Once we know where all of this is going to be. So I got to make another piece from here out to the new panel that comes in here, and underneath here, and underneath here. Get rid of this and this. That all comes with time and other parts. So that's where we stand. Alright, we got that all tacked in. Way down in the corner. I don't know if you can see that or not, but way down in there. That's run in. That won't go anywhere. So I gotta get the fenders off and weld the back side of it. But that seems to be done for now. As far as we can go with this until we get the rest of it. And the other body panel comes and we'll go back to work on this. I don't want to weld it all up if I got to cut something back out, so we'll wait and see. If I got to, I got to. In the meantime, we got other things we can be doing. I'm going to skip over and pull this fender here off. in this corner here, behind this fender, I have some more bad stuff. I got to cut out some more right, make a new patch panel for that. They don't sell them, so I got to make it. I think this could get me in trouble. I may have something laying around I can start with. Alright, we'll get the fender off, which is always fun. That's it. That's my next project. Get on in here. 2 bolts. Nuts I gotta fix. Alright, get this picked up. I also have to fix this fender. A big rust hole here. This brace is all screwed up. I'm going to shoot that and see if I can get it come out so I can get it straightened and repaired.